In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page within a project in Webflow. Whether you're creating a portfolio, a business website, or any kind of project, duplicating pages can save you time and ensure consistency across your site's layout and design. So let's dive into the process, step by step. First, we'll start by opening the Pages panel. This is where all of your pages are neatly organized. To get there quickly, all you need to do is press the P key on your keyboard. This shortcut is quite handy as it immediately brings up the panel where you'll see a complete list of your project's pages. Each page is listed there, making it simple for you to navigate through your project. Once you have the Pages panel open, take a look at the list and find the page that you would like to duplicate. When you've found it, there's a small gear icon next to each page name. Go ahead and click on the gear icon for the page you're interested in duplicating. This opens up that specific page's settings. Now, at the top of the Page Settings panel, you'll notice a duplication icon. It's visually represented by two overlapping pages, illustrating exactly what you're planning to do. Create a copy of your existing page. Simply click on this duplicate icon and you're well on your way to duplicating your page. After clicking on the duplication icon, you'll be prompted to enter a new name for your duplicated page. This is a good point to think about how this page will fit into your overall project. Giving it a name that reflects its content or function will help maintain clarity as your project grows. You might also encounter a few other settings, so take a quick moment to adjust any specific configurations that are necessary for your project. Once you're satisfied with the name and any additional settings, all you need to do is click on Create. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated your page in Webflow. This copy retains the design elements and structure of the original, providing a solid foundation you can tweak and build upon as needed. This is incredibly useful for maintaining consistency across multiple pages, as you can start with a baseline and modify content rather than design each new page from scratch. Remember, utilizing these features not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your productivity, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your project. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy designing in Webflow.